Hey, there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got a 330-gallon tank smoker on a single axle trailer here for y'all today. Now, this is it's actually the first 330 we've done on a single axle trailer, but that's just what worked out best for this customer. Now, it is a 6,000-pound brake axle, double frame rail trailer, so a really stout trailer. It's got a ton of storage room on the back. We'll check that out. But first, let's check out the smoker. Like I said, 330-gallon tank. Now, this is our patina finish. So we take the tank, we're real careful with all of our grinding and cutting on the tank to keep it looking sharp. And then we do 3 coats of automotive clear coat on top of that. We've got a fold down stack. That comes standard on every tank smoker. Open up this bad girl. Now, guys, the thing about the 330s is you get a lot of cook room on them. So we got full bottom trays in here and then double sliding top shelves. You know we love our top shelves at TMG. Of course, you got our 3-dimensional hand fabricated hinges, handles, stainless steel accents as far as the eye can see. Really looks slick. Gloss black trailer, of course. Now on the firebox here, this is where the magic happens right here. So this is our fully insulated firebox. This comes standard on every tank smoker. Fully insulated firebox. Doors insulated, the front of it's insulated, holds heat extremely well. And on the back side, you can see all that storage I was talking about. A lot of storage room on this rig. Some on the front tongue as well. We got the spare tire up there. 10-ply tires. So guys, this is quite the setup here. Cook a lot of food on it. Doesn't take up a ton of room though. Easy to maneuver around. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.